turkey club pasta salad. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon right into our bowl. So fresh. My pasta cravings don't turn off in the summer, but I'm really not in the mood for a big piping hot bowl of pasta. And instead, I really want something a little bit lighter, you know, a chilled version of pasta. And chilled versions always taste a little bit healthier too. So today I'm gonna be making one of my favorite new pasta salads, and I'm calling this my Turkey Club pasta salad without the mayo. It's really, really light, it's really, really nice, and it's pretty darn healthy. So we're gonna start off with pasta. I pre-cooked my whole wheat pasta for you so I wouldn't have to show it, because you guys know how to boil your pasta. And all I did was I just rinsed my pasta so you remove some of that starch. And the reason why you want to do that is because you don't want the pasta to stick together. If you don't rinse it, it'll stick together as soon as it cools down. And you want to rinse it with cool water so that way you have a nice base for your pasta salad. We don't want something piping hot. So then into my pasta, we're going to make our turkey club. So we have some amazing turkey here that I actually got in the grocery store at the deli department. You can often get this really nice thick cut turkey. You just ask for it thick cut. This is a nitrate-free turkey. I chopped it up into, it was supposed to be kind of like a dice, but because it's kind of crumbly, it ended up being a little messy. So turkey in our turkey club. And then I have lettuce. Lettuce is usually on our turkey club. I have some beautiful romaine. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to chop it into pretty tiny bite-sized pieces. You don't want it to be huge chunks like you're eating a giant salad. You're just gonna add that right in. I'm gonna do the rest of my lettuce, chop it right up. Okay, pop the rest of that lettuce right into my bowl. And what's next in our turkey club? Tomatoes. I got some beautiful fresh tomatoes. These were the first tomatoes that I saw at the farm stand, and I was very overly excited. You should have seen me. I was like a kid in a candy store. I chopped them up into quarters because they were kind of big, but you can use your judgment. You can just have them if it's easier. And then I have some bacon. But guess what, guys? This is turkey bacon. It was my first experience with turkey bacon. I figured we're doing a turkey club. Why not use turkey bacon? Turkey bacon is a little bit more healthy, but instead of cooking it like normal turkey bacon, where you just kind of barely cook it, I crisped these guys up, basically obliterated them, but they're amazing. They're so crunchy and fabulous. So I have a little bit of cheese. We're gonna add, it's Parmesan Reggiano. You can just use Parm if you prefer. But this cheese is just going to add that little touch of, I don't know, indulgence that you're looking for. And then we're going to make a little quick dressing. So I have some lemon. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon right into our bowl. You don't need to do this on the side in a separate bowl. 1/2. Ooh, this one's harder. What's going on here? The other half was so easy. Ugh. Look at how beautiful. It's almost done. After your lemon, there's a final touch. We have just a little bit of olive oil, and inside the olive oil, I added 2 anchovies. And the anchovies are just going to mellow out the lemon, add a whole nother dimension. I'm telling you, it is deadly good. All you gotta do is put a little pot on the stove, heat it over medium-high heat until there's bubbles forming in the olive oil. And then you just wanna take 2 forks and you just pull apart the anchovies until they kind of melt in the oil. And it's gonna flavor the oil and just take it to a whole nother level. So I'm gonna add this right in, just like that. You wanna make sure that your oil has cooled down a little bit, so you're not adding a really hot oil to the lettuce and making it wilt. Let's toss this baby. A little bit of black pepper, a big spoon, and give it a nice toss. Is this turkey club or what? but it's better, honestly. What kind of wimpy thing is this? Is this lame? What kind of serving spoon is this? I want way more. But I'll give it a little taste and then I'll get seconds. Let's try. So summery, so fresh. It doesn't taste healthy, but seriously, just a little sprinkle of cheese. Everything else is so healthy. You could serve this at a picnic and honestly just, wow, people. It's so good. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Go try this at home.